And we welcome everyone back to the Divine Light Academy in Las Piñas City for Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Season number 3. Our games for today, 2 sets, and we're already at our last game for set number 1 in the 14 and under division. Once again, a good morning to all the basketball fans watching out there. Aaron D joined by Coach Anton de los Reyes as my analyst and on court side. Miss Nicole Lim, Coach Anton, we're down to it our final game for the day para sa ating dalawa lang.
Para sa ating dalawa lang. You seem so relieved that it's
No.
our final game. Good morning, everyone watching Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. We are at Season 3. Great to be working with you, Aaron.
No, Coach, mamaya meron pa tayo. But for the meantime, let's talk about our match at hand in the 14 and under division. Pasig Stallions kontra Leyte Sure Homes. And let's start it off with the Pasig Stallions at number 10. In our tournament, Coach Anton, galing din sila sa pagkatalo versus the San Juan makabagong Mighty Warriors.
And you mentioned it, number 10, 2-4 record. They lost to San Juan 53-82. Extremely crucial for this young and promising squad in their last matchup against fellow school-based team San Juan. They struggled to find their groove. Tyrese Tang, all-around performance. We're going to look at him as well as Brandon Cuyuto, three-point shooter according to assistant coach Rica Young.
No, mamaya titingnan natin kung totoo nga ba yun. But for the other side naman, it's the Leyte Sure Homes. Galing rin sila sa pagkatalo, Coach Anton, but their record is different. 1-5 sila at number 11 naman in this tournament.
Well, Leyte Sure Homes lost to Nueva Ecija the Generals 78-82. Close game. Muntik-muntik na doon, but you did mention it, 11th place, heartbreak not too long ago after falling short sa Final Four slot sa Junior MPBL Pocket League, 13 under division. Couple of players we're gonna look out for, Zane Enriquez, ito, Kyrie Rase and Brandon Cuyuto. Magandang matchup to, maya-maya.
No, mamaya makikita natin yan. And we're not gonna keep you for any longer. Let's hear it from our game announcer, Mr. Gio Cruz.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome here inside the Divine Light Academy, Las Piñas City. This is Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Season 3, ang Liga ng Bawat Batang Pilipino. 14 under division between the Pasig Stallions and your Leyte Sure Homes. Now let us meet the starters for both teams. First, for the Pasig Stallions. Starting guard number 23, Wayne Cole. Other guard number 9, Brandon Cuyuto. At forward number 99, Ralph Atienza. Also at forward number 17, Benjamin Tejada. And at center number 13, Aidan Ong. The head coach is Ian Mazo. Assisted by Ron Cruz, Ian Rosella, and Rica Young. Team manager, Philbert Chang. And now let us meet the starters for the Leyte Sure Homes. Starting guard number 17, Amiel Martinez. Also at guard number 21, Terence Subage. At forward number 29, Prince Tuban. Other forward number 99, Winter Navarro. And at center number 23, Sebastian Sazo. The head coach is Jess Villasis. Assisted by Bobby Rossi. Team manager, Bobby Rossi. Officiating this ball game, Don Ramos, Didio Perez, and Von Racho. Junior MPBL Executive Director, Mr. Jared Navarro. Junior MPBL Commissioner, Mr. Keith Picasso.
The alright team starters in the 14 and under division. Leyte have Sumage Martinez, Tuban, Navarro, and Celso. Pasig have Go, Cuyuto, Tejada, Atienza, and Ong.
Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL, ang Liga ng Bawat Batang Pilipino.
And final game for set number 3 of this morning. It's the Pasig Stallions kontra dito sa Leyte Sure Homes. Aaron D, Coach Anton de los Reyes, and Miss Nicole Lim. on the sidelines. And Coach Anton, dito naman tayo. We move on sa mga bunso naman for set number 1.
Bunso indeed. These are the younger players. 14 and under. Max 14.
Hey, Winter
Starting
Navarro.
things out. Winter Navarro moving the ball around. Up. Getting that 3 ball to go.
Leyte getting their first 3 points. Dito. 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Nakaka-start pa nga lang dito. And of course, both of our teams coming off losses. Similar story that we had in our previous matchups. Of course, Leyte going 2-0 for this day. Of course, the 14 and under Leyte boys gonna try and continue that run para unbeaten sila ngayon. But Pasig, this 14 and under division naman nila, they could very much redeem themselves and pati yung mga kuya nila.
Ibabawi nila ang kanilang mga kuya. And this is a surprise. Tyrese Tang not starting for the Pasig Stallions.
Tyrese Tang, key player, and of course, kilala naman natin yung tatay niya, Coach Anton.
Coach T.Y. Tang, DLSU legend, champion. Of course, ex-PBA player, ex-pro as well. Always in attendance yan, si Coach T.Y. Tang. Less may something. But we always see him at the games. He never misses games of his son, Tyrese.
Oh, unless busy siya dun sa basketball camp niya, yung T.Y. Tang Basketball School.
Nag-basketball camp ka ba kay Coach T.Y.?
Hindi nga, nakikita ko lang siya dun sa social media eh.
Teka, batiin muna natin. Kakadating lang. Coach F. Francisco, siya po
Ayun.
mamaya ang magko-cover. Kasama niya si Cupid, Jaime Mendejar.
Great duo after. Para sa mga fans nga po na nanonood, si Coach F tsaka si Coach Anton, yun yung mga naglalaban-laban dati sa basketball. Match-up nila yan.
Papawis lang yun, papawis. Pero mamaya yung duo na yun, kung meron choco duo, may chocnut. Chocolate si Jaime, tapos nuts si
Coach F, no?
si Coach F.
Ano kaya sasabihin nila pag sa atin? No? Ano kayang...
Hindi ko na alam. Father and son ang tawag nila sa atin eh. Father and son duo tawag nila sa atin eh. Of course, quick shout out to the parents of my partner. Palaging nanonood. Philson D. Tsaka si Doktora. Derma.
Oo.
Derma ng bayan. Yung mom ni Aaron. Shoutout mo naman yung mom mo.
Shoutout din kay Christine D.
Yun. Si Doktora. Ayun, Doktora pinag-uusapan natin. Shout out to Doktora Denise Zabaliero.
Yun, yan ang gusto ko.
Palagi.
Yun ang hinihintay kong marinig.
T.Y. Tang getting a foul. Taking it strong to the hole. And this is something that you have to watch out for. I don't know if you watched itong 14 under ng Pasig. T.Y. Tang, Tyrese Tang, sorry.
Nalito ka na.
He's left-handed.
Oh.
Yeah, look at his free throw, left hand. Pero he always finishes with his right when he's around the basket. Second nature na daw sa kanya yan to go and do that.
You love to see it. The skills really being built at an early age. Para dito sa mga bata in this 14 and under division. Youngest nga dito in our junior MPBL 18 and under level natin. Going in, the Shore Homes. Extra feed, the fake, the shot. No good on that one para kay Tuban. Meanwhile, wala rin yun para kay Amiel Martinez.
And battle for that rebound. Ball is going to stay with Leyte.
And a timeout going to be called with 5 minutes and 48 seconds in quarter number 1.
Dahil marami nga ang hindi makakapaglaro para sa koponan ng Leyte, inaasahan ni Coach Jess Villasi si Winter Navarro. And when I talked to Winter, sinabi niyang dinamdam daw talaga niya ang sinabi ni Coach at mas na-boost ang kanyang confidence at kumpiyansa sa sarili na binigay na tiwala ni Coach. Kaya naman asahan daw na mas dodoble ang kanyang effort for today's game, especially when it comes to defense. Gentlemen.
Salamat, Nicole. Winter Navarro. You heard it right there. And defense is something that he's gonna be trying to focus on today. And marami nga siyang babantayan dito sa Pasig Stallion side. Tyrese Tang, isa na nga doon.
That's a matchup that we're going to see if that's going to materialize. Tyrese Tang versus Winter Navarro. Of course, Winter Navarro, very, how would I say or describe it? Cold-blooded in terms of his offensive game. And that is a good facet, no, the defensive side of things for him to focus on.
We talked about it earlier. Already 3 fouls para dito sa Leyte Surehomes. Maaga nga silang nag-commit ng mga foul dito. 3-1 is the score. And on the free throw line right now, itong si Sebastian Celso.
Low scoring contest we're having as of the moment. Almost 5 minutes has gone by, but right when we say it,
Tyrese Tang trying to change it. Pound for pound fitness. Foul counted and Coach Anton, tama nga, no? Right hand siya mag-finish.
I told you. But great move by Tyrese. Stepping on the gas, jump stopping to get his balance. That's something that the younger players need to learn. You need to learn how to do that jump stop because when you're in balance, the chances of you being able to make those types of shots mas malaki. Hindi naman sinasabing 100% masushoot mo, but whenever you're in balance, there's a high percentage you're going to finish your move and get that basket to go.
Leyte moving it around, finding the open shot, couldn't get it to drop. Tuban up top. Steps back. Off to the right. Velasco. It's another opportunity for them, and this time it's still a miss.
Tried to go for that steal.
Here comes Tyrese. Quick down the court, no good. Another chance for Pasig. The Stallions go inside. Cuyuto, no good. 10 seconds on the shot clock. They kick it out and the triple. They get it to go.
Extra possessions, offensive rebounds, doing damage for the side of Pasig. That time, the 3-ball, knocking it down was Nathan Wang.
Quick answer back though coming from the Leyte Surehomes.
That's a foul away from the ball. That was on number 21, Terence Sumage.
6-all is the score. 3 minutes and 32 seconds in this first quarter.
That's Sariel Hoson at the line.
Oh, and looks like Wang gonna be substituted out dito. Not entirely sure.
It's the uniform.
Ah, okay.
Because yung pang-ilalim niya, yung compression tights niya, color blue. It has to be white. Or kung hindi man white, kailangan blue din yung kay Tyrese.
Oo.
Kasi si Tyrese naka-white na compression tight. So
So,
again,
may rule pala na ganun, no?
oo, pareho dapat. Yung inner shirt mo, if it's black, your teammates dapat black din. Hindi pwedeng may naka-white.
Tyrese up and under. It's good.
You see that spin move to the middle, that fake going under like what you mentioned, finishing with the right hand again. Tyrese Tang. Nakakatuwa talaga makita yun. Never ceases to amaze me.
Talagang inaabangan natin, no, what Tyrese Tang could be in 2 years, 3 years. Take a look at that, coach.
Just the patience, the footwork. We always talk about footwork from bigs, but whenever it's guards, you also have to make sure that you know, you have that excellent footwork when you're underneath.
Yung mga galaw na ganun, coach, pang mga veteran na yun. Pero isipin mo, 14 and under lang itong si Tyrese.
Ginagawa na yun. And again, no, you know, Winter Navarro's the same. If you watch Winter play, very skillful player for the side of Leyte Sure-Homes.
Gonna be a great matchup if they do end up guarding each other. Later sa laro natin, De Guzman off on that.
Sariel Hosom's gonna get called for that hold. Trying to stop Alter Velasco from getting that offensive rebound. Tough matchup for Sariel.
Pasig up by 2 points. They kick it out. De Guzman steps into the jumper.
That's a great move by De Guzman earlier. He tried that 3-ball, couldn't knock it down, went one dribble, pulled up. 17-footers, good.
Rejected on that one by Velasco.
Nice timing by Alter to block that drive from Tyrese.
De Guzman showing off the ball handling skills.
Getting his defender off balance. It's Benjamin Tejada, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, that's Thomas Lai, rather. Tough matchup for him today.
They whip it to the corner, 7 seconds. Short on the jumper.
Long rebound to Thomas Lai. He's going to bring that ball up.
Here come the Stallions. Miss on that one para kay Oben. Mamadali dito, Agaw.
Kyrie Rase getting that ball tapped from behind.
Oben hands it off to Lai. Floating inside, it's pure.
A great move. Thomas Lai finishing near the basket with that floater. Nice touch from Thomas.
32 seconds in this first quarter. De Guzman. They move it to the left side. Step back triple, no. Here comes Tyrese, double cross, going in. And he draws the foul.
Strong move to the basket by Tyrese. Getting a foul in the process. But, he's going to get a chance to get those 2 points. And you like what you saw. You saw there Tyrese apologizing to his coaching, to the coaching staff, because he had Thomas Lai on his left, but did not give that ball up. And the coaching staff was saying you could have given it up, and he apologized quickly. And that's a sign of a player that has a great attitude, no? Yung ina-acknowledge niya yung mistake.
Para miss on that one. Oh, saktong-sakto yung pasa kay De Guzman.
Great outlet pass. Nice leak out. De Guzman finishing on that fast break.
They don't get it off in time. After 10 minutes of action, score natin 11-10. Take a look at some of the highlights dito. Chef's Magic, and of course, Tyrese Tang was huge in that opening quarter, coach.
Spin cycle, Tyrese Tang finishing. There's that step, that midi 17-footer by De Guzman, and then that finish again by De Guzman. Not always there when you call, but always on time.
Just a 1-point lead by the Pasig Stallions. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings a flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. And we're back to it, quarter number 2. In game number 3, Aaron D, Coach Anton De Los Reyes, and of course, Miss Nicole Lim.
During that first quarter, both teams not shooting the ball particularly well. Etong Pasig, 4 out of 13 from the field, that's 30%. For Leyte, 4 out of 20, that's 20%. Kaya naman di ganun kataas ang ating scoring after the first quarter of action. Tyrese Tang trying to carry his team, leading all scorers with 6 points, couple of rebounds. Tinulungan siya doon ni Nathan Wang and Thomas Lai. 3 points for Nathan, 2 points for Thomas. For the side of Coach Jess Villasis naman, De Guzman with 4, Sumage with a couple of points, and Winter Navarro with 3.
Meanwhile, Leyte trying to take the lead.
Kyrie Rase, left corner 3. That's what he's known for, knocking down those 3-pointers, but not really getting a good look, not getting those chances. As etong side ng Pasig Stallions, they have zeroed in on Kyrie Rase. You see him running baseline to baseline, ninalagari niya, pero palaging merong nakabantay sa kanya.
Lai inside. They whip it out. The one-hander, it's good.
Nathan Wang again getting the 2 points. That's his 4th point of the ball game.
Here they come. De Guzman nagbababa para sa Leyte. Hand it off, Rase. Back to De Guzman. Oh, he steps back and he's got it. It's a 3.
And the absence of Zane Enriquez, you've got De Guzman taking up the cudgels, the scoring cudgels, knocking down that 3-pointer.
Oson. 10 seconds on the shot clock and fouled on that one. Itong si Benjamin Tejada.
Shovel pass inside by Sariel Hoson, but let's look at that step back 3-pointer over the outstretched arms of Tyrese Tang. That is De Guzman knocking it down.
On the free throw line right now, Benjamin Tejada. Less than 8 minutes remaining in quarter number 2. The drive inside, the kick. What a turnover on Prince Tuban and Leyte.
They stepped out of bounds, running out of real estate. Gotta be aware of where you are at the court at all times.
Cross court. Pasig struggling on this possession, but Tyrese Tang travels on that. Oh, when they get the layup para kay Benjamin Tejada.
At full court pressure, doing its thing, getting a turnover in the process for Pasig.
Leyte miss on that. Rebounded by Josh Tang. Here they come. Perfect dish by Tyrese Tang.
Off of that off of that defensive rebound, Josh Tang giving it up to Tyrese Tang, who in turn turns like a quarterback, dishing that pass.
Our Larga International Logistics. Fast break of the quarter as a timeout is called by the Leyte Showrooms. And getting hounded on that one, itong si Kent Pacanya. Mapak nga siya on that sideline, so turnover na naman for Leyte. Nathan has it, Wang gives it, and Josh Tang travels.
He was trying to set up for that three-pointer, but saw there was an opening down the pipe. Decided to go in, try to take it strong to the hole. Getting called for steps was Nathan Wang.
Makes up for it with a steal, but can he finish? Gets blocked though, itong si Josh.
Check that was Josh Tang pala earlier, not Nathan. At bumawi nga, like what you said. That's what you want to see. If you make a mistake on the offensive end, sa defense, bawi ka lang.
Pasig though up 21-13. This time Ralph Atienza committing the foul.
Quickly acknowledges that after that reach-in. Again, you can't give the referees a chance to blow their whistle by reaching in. It is a game of angles. So better avoid yung mga pasundot-sundot.
Here comes Winter Navarro. Tuban has it. Prince. Extra feed. To the corner. And that's off para doon kay Emil. Stolen by Winter Navarro. He's gonna go coast to coast. But he gets it swatted by Tyrese Tang.
And that's what we talked about, or that's what Nicole talked about, that he's going to focus on defense, talking about Winter Navarro that time, getting that steal, tried to take it coast to coast, but Tyrese Tang just there waiting for him, timed that block perfectly.
Yan nga coach, yung matchup na inaabangan natin, Tang versus Navarro. Prince Tuban, masyadong malalim yung pasa doon on that baseline.
And nobody there. Winter Navarro, medyo malayo pa, had to chase after that leather.
Oh, and this time, the referees, dito naman kay Martinez, Coach Anton.
Ano ba yung kay Martinez?
Not entirely sure if they were pointing at yung compression niya sa legs or yung shoes niya.
Oh, yung shoes okay lang naman kung iba kulay. Baka compression. Pwede yung compression. Baka may...
Pero kulay black naman yung compression ni Martinez.
Hindi natin alam. Hindi ko nakita eh.
Up top they go, Tuban. Prince has it. De Guzman to Prince, Tuban. Connects on the triple.
Good two-man game. Eli De Guzman with the assist to Prince for that left corner three.
Here comes Tyrese. Coyuto. Atienza against two. Kicks it, corner. 4 seconds on the shot clock.
Nice drive to the basket. Just could not buy a bucket itong Pasig Stallions.
Winter Navarro, they're down by 5 points itong Leyte. De Guzman attacking Tyrese. Throws it up, no good. But on the second serving, itong si Sebastian Celso.
Nice crashing of the boards. Again, attracting the defense. Couple of players being attracted by Eli De Guzman. Leaving Sebastian Celso for that offensive board.
Still 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Dito sa first half of action natin, Winter Navarro. Huli na naman ni Tyrese Tang. Timeout by the Pasig Stallions. Still 2 minutes and 33 seconds in this second quarter. Four-point lead by the Pasig Stallions. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Josh Teng. Coyuto onto that baseline. No good. Josh Teng naman puts it back in.
You gotta credit the tap by Wayne Go to be able to secure that leather. Josh Teng with the deuce.
Left side, Suwangko. Lalabas nila dito, Tuban. Wala yun. Look at Tyrese Tang just in transition but just medyo kulang lang dun.
Everything but the bucket for Tyrese Tang. Again, finishing or trying to finish with the right. That's just, again, he said it is a habit for him. Second nature.
Here we go, but Ralph Atienza carries the ball. A
bit too quick for his own good was Ralph Atienza. Wanted to get that transition game going for the side of Pasig to try and increase their lead to 8 points. But it stays at 6.
That's De Guzman against Coyuto. Martinez, he's open. Yun nga, Martinez, tinanggal na niya yung compression niya, Coach Anton. But this time, basket is good. On that one, para kay Suwangko.
Ethan Suwangko, big boy move, powering his way. Couple of bumps down the post. And then that drive and the finish.
pound for pound fitness foul counted para kay Ethan Suwangko.
B-Liga ready. Parang ang aking kasamang Aaron D. Liga ready na to eh.
Di pa nga, kulang pa coach eh. But right now, a timeout. Sakto dito, 1 minuto ang natitira in our second quarter. Down to a 3-point lead for the Pasig Stallions. 1 minute in our first half of action. They pass it inside. A lot of traffic. Coyuto, step back triple. It's short. Bakbakan sa rebound. Tyrese has it. Outside they go. No good.
That's fine by Tyrese to Theodore Nang. Just couldn't knock down that elbow jumper.
Suwangko just made an end one, but Tyrese Tang, it's really great timing on those blocks.
At the speed of Ethan Suwangko. But again, the defense of Tyrese Tang holding up here for the Pasig Stallions.
De Guzman. Here comes Tyrese. Behind the back. Going in with the right hand to the finish.
That D-cell of Tyrese Tang finishing on that break.
Prince Tuban naman. 1 second remaining and on the ground right now. Itong si Prince Tuban holding on to his knee area.
Is it his knee or was it his calf?
But anyways, right now we're gonna be moving on to our Chef's Magic. Second quarter highlights, just a 5-point lead dito, Coach Anton. Dikit pa rin ang laban.
Eli De Guzman trying to keep it close. Great pass by Tyrese Tang. What a finish. Playing quarterback, a 2-man game. We talked about it that time. Eli De Guzman to Prince Tuban with that 3-pointer from the corner.
25-20, Pasig up by 5 points. 5-point lead by the Pasig Stallions over the Leyte Shorehomers in this 14 and under division. Of course, we take a look at some of the highlights from that first half, Coach Anton.
And again, etong side ng Leyte Shorehomers doing their best to try and keep in step, but the defense of Pasig Stallions, Tyrese Tang in particular, doing a great job. Both teams not shooting particularly well. We talked about it in the first quarter, still continuing. 20% for Leyte, 36% for Pasig. 3-point shooting, etong Leyte Shorehomers, we know they love to chuck those 3-pointers, pero so far, 3 out of 16. Eto namang Pasig, 1 out of 3. So rebounding department, lamang ng 4 ang Leyte, 26-22. Both teams not really moving that ball all too well, but they are doing a great job taking care of their turnovers. Only 7 for both squads.
Take a look at that field goal percentage. Medyo mababa nga yan, especially for the Leyte Shorehomers, but they're gonna be trying to pick it up in this second half. But now it's time for our fan of the game. We've spotted someone in the crowd who's been cheering non-stop, full of energy and bringing all the good vibes here in this game. And you know what they say, the coolest fan deserves the coolest iced tea. Congratulations to our fan of the game. You're getting a refreshing treat from Truty Iced Tea, a no sugar added iced tea. Stay cool with Truty Iced Tea, the goodness of iced tea without the sugar. And here we go, folks. Second half of action just about to begin. Let's take a look at our MPBL, Junior MPBL Global Middle East leg coming soon. Yun nga, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18 under divisions all coming up for us dun sa Middle East leg natin, Coach Anton. No? So, parang yung Junior MPBL natin nagiging international na rin. No?
Global nga eh. Maganda naman nakikita.
Oo, no? And third quarter of action. Just having begun dito, Aaron D, Coach Anton de los Reyes, and Miss Nicole Lim as Ethan Swanko slicing his way to the rim.
Nice Pinoy step. Getting the defender off timing. Ethan Swanko finishing on that drive.
Benjamin Tejada naman binigay dun sa loob, but they can't finish. Russell Abirap. Winter Navarro couldn't finish though. Here come the Stallions. They kick it out. Great rotation on the part of Leyte. Benjamin Tejada, bucket plus the foul.
Great passing, Ralph Atienza finding his teammate underneath, wide open. And you mentioned it, great passing, great ball movement. There you go, Ralph Atienza giving it up to his teammate who gets the bang and the bucket. Benjamin Tejada with a chance for a three-point play. Three-point play the traditional way.
Pound for pound fitness, foul counted and completed by Tejada.
B-Liga ready. Pound for pound. No? B. Aaron D. Liga ready. Yun eh.
Winter Navarro naman, stepping back. Here comes Tyrese. Goes for the spin. In transition with the offhand once again, nabitin lang doon.
Short on the reverse was Tyrese.
Rasse gets that ball swatted by Coyuto.
Nice timing by Brandon Coyuto to get that block off of that fast break ng Leyte Shorehomers.
Winter has it up top. Looking for the open man. Instead, Tejada steals it away. Benjamin going to the left. And then he gets fouled.
And loses a shoe in the process. Na sobrang bilis. Yung Kairis niya nawala.
Oo, no?
Medyo naapakan dun. Full head of steam for Benjamin Tejada on that fast break attempt.
Six-point lead by the Pasig Stallions. 8 minutes and 4 seconds dito sa third frame natin.
And after this, alam naman natin, meron pa tayong 3 games. Papalitan naman tayo ni Jaime Mendehar at ni Coach F. Francisco, the Chocnut Duo. One is like chocolate, the other one is a bit nuts.
Oo, no?
Coach F.
The perfect combination.
Yeah, chocnut niya eh.
There you have it. Timeout naman by the latest Sure Homes. Score po natin 29-22.
During their huddle, nabanggit nga ni Coach Ian na hindi sila pwedeng laging nakadepende kay Tyrese at kailangan mag-step up ng ibang bench players. Dagdag pa niya, hindi nila na-execute ng maayos ang kanilang pinractice. Kaya kailangan daw nilang mas maging aggressive at huwag makampante throughout the game. Aaron and Coach Anton.
Maraming salamat, Nicole. And that was a good point na Coach Ian Mazo mentioned, Coach Anton, na di sila pwedeng nakarely, nakadepend lang kay Tyrese Tang. And taking a look at our leading scorers, Benjamin Tejada actually leading the way para sa Pasig Stallions. So a good sign for the Stallions.
That's the help that they've been looking for, because again, basketball is a 5-man sport. And you cannot just rely on one person alone. He needs some help. And we're talking about Tyrese Tang. Benjamin Tejada stepping up along with Nathan Huang.
And stepping up indeed, itong si Benjamin Tejada. He's on the free throw line. Extending it 32-24.
11 points now for Benjamin Tejada.
They give it to the corner. Tyrese wards off the defense, but an offensive foul is called. Double team incoming. Stolen by the Pasig Stallions. Benjamin Tejada drops it in.
What a finish, Benjamin Tejada here in the third, or here in the third quarter, doing damage for the side of Coach Ian Mazo.
Velasco naman catches the lob from Winter Navarro. Tejada na naman gets his own miss. Saves it. The one-hander drops in para kay Wayne Go.
Twisting in mid-air, Wayne Go with a finish.
Amiel turns it over. Wayne has it. Tejada. They give it to their main guy in Tyrese Tang.
Lots of contact, no whistle from our officials.
Yun naman, Itong si Winter Navarro off on that. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Benjamin attacking.
Back irons that drive. Talking about Benjamin Tejada.
Going in with the shot plus the foul para kay Terence Sumage.
Terence Sumage, what body control to be able to absorb the contact, finish in mid-air.
Our pound for pound fitness foul counted.
So nice, you had to see it twice. Completes that three-point play. The traditional way is Terence Sumage.
The pull-up triple.
Only one crack at the basket for the side of Pasig.
Winter Navarro naman, medyo maalat to start off this third quarter. Tyrese goes with the left.
Left it a bit short.
Sumage no-looks it and they get the finish to go.
And that's a picture-perfect fast break opportunity. Sumage to Arbel Custodio, who finishes that transition layup.
Hand it off. Tyrese from the outside. No. Amiel gives it Custodio. That's a great bump.
4 straight points for Arbel Custodio. 1 assisted and 1 taking it on his own.
Navarro getting the steal. Receiving the pass. And cutting the lead down to just a single point.
And Winter Navarro, nice tap from behind. And then that outlet to him, rewarding the person who tapped that ball from behind, Winter Navarro, finishing that layup.
Only down to a single-digit ball game. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. Yun naman, Amiel Martinez getting the deuce to drop.
And lead is now with Leyte after being down for most of the ball game. Sila na ngayon ang nasa driver's seat. Lead up just by 1.
And here they come trying to extend it. Amiel Martinez got it. It's a 3.
Straight through, wide open, hand down, man down. Martinez knocking down that right wing 3.
Wang. Lamang ng 4 dito ang Leyte Sure Homes off the window for 2.
Nathan Wang driving to the right, finishing, getting that layup to go.
Here they come, the Leyte Sure Homes in transition.
Arbel Custodio, 6 points here in the third quarter. Couple of fast breaks, 1 assisted.
Miss on that 3-pointer, hoisted up.
still a 4-point lead para dito sa Leyte as they have come to life courtesy of Arbel Custodio and Martinez, who knocked down a 3-pointer earlier.
Sila naman, Amiel, same spot, same result.
And he wanted that ball. He was clapping for it. He got it, knew what to do with it, knocked down that 3.
So naman, Pasig desperately need a bucket dito. Going in and then going out to Wang. Locked and loaded from deep.
Great kick out. Nice bailout. Nathan Wang. Back-to-back 3-pointers from both squads.
And Amiel Martinez, you know he wants it, but instead, a 3-pointer from the other side. Here comes Benjamin. Lalabas nila to Wang. Tejada, atake. No good.
Wayne Go was actually few from the right corner. Could have gotten that swing for a wide open 3.
35 seconds in this third frame. Amiel, he's been the hot hand. Goes for the long 2 and it's off to the left.
Kailangan 3-pointer. Hindi nakakalibrate sa mid-range si
catch and
Martinez.
shoot, no?
Yep.
They go to the corner. The drive, the shot, and it's good.
3-4 bounces. Wayne Go, short corner jumper, gets a steal.
Back-to-back hits para kay Wayne Go. And time running out on that one. 45 all is the score. Take a look at that, Coach Anton. Dumikit na naman dito ang Pasig Stallions.
Terence Umage getting that bang in the bucket, finishing. And again, here's that nice pass. Arbel Custodio. Couple of his 6 points here in the third for Leyte.
45 all is the score. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating the win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. And
Quick shout out to Jaime Mendehar. Kakadating lang, may pasalubong pa.
Grabe no yun.
Alaim mo yan, no? Sabi pa naman nung kasama ko, gutom na daw.
Ito lang yung malaking twister fries pa, no? Grabe. Meanwhile, Leyte Surehomes and Pasig Stallions, 45 apiece. Still anyone's ball game. De Guzman fading away. It's no good.
Series of moves from Eli De Guzman. Nothing there.
Josh Teng, binalik na dito ni Coach Ian.
It's a reach and foul on Winter Navarro. That's his fourth. You see it there, reaching in from behind. And we always talk about it. You can't give the referees a chance to blow their whistle by reaching in. 10
seconds on the shot clock para sa Pasig. The pull-up pop and it drops para kay Brandon Coyuto.
There you go, Brandon Coyuto. We talked about him at the top of our broadcast. One of the players that we're going to look out for. That's according to assistant coach Rika Young.
Ito naman, Amiel Martinez. Sumubok naman sa kabila. Yun lang, hindi pumasok.
Mukhang dito dapat siya sa right wing sa harap natin. Kanina naka-back-to-back siya dun eh.
He's gonna stay with Leyte. Lamang dito ng dalawa ang Pasig. The attack, the shot, and it's good para dito kay Terence Sumage.
Terence Sumage slicing and dicing, getting inside, finishing with contact.
Huwang tries to get it to Brandon. Instead, it's a steal. They give it up to Rasse. And he's gonna set it up for the Leyte Shorehome. Suwangko naman. Atake, just bullying his way to the cup, but a travel is called.
Took too many steps for Ethan Suwangko. You're gonna see it here. You know.
And Coach Ian binalik dito, Tyrese. From the outside, Coyuto doesn't get the bounce, but Josh Teng is there for the rebound, not the putback though. Rasse sees the open look, but he can't drop it in. Here they come, Tyrese Tang with the right hand.
Taking it strong to the hole, Tyrese Tang off of that miss by Kyrie, triggering that fast break.
A bit over-ambitious on that one. Tyrese trying to go back-to-back, and he does just that.
Money quarter for Tyrese Tang. This is where he needs to step up and make sure that he brings this his team home.
Martinez, that's his spot. Suwangko naman. Pasig just putting their hands up on that one. Suwangko couldn't see the rim quite properly on that.
Trying to take matters into his own hands, Ethan Suwangko. Earlier, he got called for traveling, so gusto niyang bumawi. Pero yun nga lang, yung depensa ng Pasig. Just too strong inside that interior, just proving too hard to crack.
(51-47), 6 minutes and 44 seconds. Dito sa final quarter natin. Up top they go, back to De Guzman. A lot of traffic inside. And Winter Navarro just traveling on that.
First time to see action. Gonna be Aiden Ong. Adding some height, Coach Ian Mazo for the side of the Pasig Stallions.
Give it up inside, Aiden Ong. They throw it out, Josh Teng. Coyuto short on the triple try.
Bit rushed on that three-point attempt. No one there in front of you. You can take your time, Brandon. Just try to get your feet set, get that line of sight calibrated.
Here they come, a tap from behind. 3-on-3 fast break. Tyrese goes baseline. Gets it swatted initially, but just stays strong with it. Itong si Tyrese.
Stayed with it, kept his focus, kept his composure, got the putback, was Tyrese Tang.
Give it up inside. But a foul is called on Ong.
Aiden Ong's gonna get called for that foul. Coaching staff of Pasig up in arms, saying it was a traveling call.
Xavier, excuse me, Pasig coaching staff. A bit irate on that call. Technical foul was called.
Again, a technical foul is called on the coaching staff of Pasig. Not happy with that call. Sabi nila, parang naging 2 shots. Unang-una, hindi daw penalty. Pangalawa, yung tira naman daw, nakapatagilid. Wala pa dun sa shooting motion. But again, our officials, they have the best seats, well, the best angle for them to be able to make the proper calls. So you gotta respect our officials and whatever call it is that they are going to be giving, as Tejada good on the first. Sorry, that was Arbel Custodio.
And yun nga, Coach Antonio Winter Navarro, 5 fouls.
Oh. Only with 5 points, 3 rebounds is Winter fouling out.
Kanina, sabi mo, ice cold yung scoring niya, pero he's a bit ice, malamig siya ngayon.
Malamig.
Yun yung not the good kind of ice cold.
Pagka mga crucial lang yun.
Oo, no? Agaw ni Tyrese. Give it up inside. A picture-perfect dish.
It was Wayne Go who finished off of that feed from Tyrese Tang. The steal, the dish, and the finish.
Terence Sumage, give it up. De Guzman goes to the middle. Tyrese set to push it once again. A great kick. Extra feed. Coyuto connects on the triple.
And there you go. Brandon Coyuto, more composed, did not rush that shot. All net. You're going to see it one more time. All net for Brandon Coyuto.
And there you go, extending this Pasig lead 58-48. Ten-point lead. Here come the Leyte Surehomes. Instead, Tyrese gets it back. Goes in and just keeps that ball high. Itong si Tyrese.
Just the advantage, the height, the speed, the skill level, Tyrese Tang. Really nothing you can do when he's out there on the open court.
They give it back to him. Goes for the hop step or the pro step as you would call it, but travel nga daw doon.
You know what's difficult with that pro step or that that jump is minsan ang referee iisipin niya nauna yung pag-land ng isang paa, hindi siya dalawa. Pagpa-side. Pagpaharap, walang problema eh. So, again, that is a difficult call to make. And those moves, judgment talaga yan on the part of our officials.
The drive. The kick. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Amiel Martinez sticks the jumper.
And going closer, and you like how he's mixing it up on offense. Those are the things that you want to see from these young players, not settling for those three-pointers, stepping in, getting those mid-range jumpers to go.
3 minutes and 30 seconds. Coyuto na naman. Back-to-back hits.
Again, more patient for Brandon Coyuto. Nice pass. Tyrese Tang making Brandon look good on that one.
Put them up by 13 points. De Guzman tries to float it in. Here comes Tyrese, leads the break. Takes it on his own, plus the foul.
Slowing down, Tyrese Tang finishing. You're gonna see it again.
Pound for pound fitness foul counted. Too big yet too strong, Tyrese Tang.
And too skilled as well. Again, big shout out kay Jaime Mendejar sa pagdala niya ng Twister
Ayun,
Rice.
no, Twister. Ngayon ko pa lang na-try ito sa McDo.
Already, it's been out for a long time. Funny thing is, we just never get to order it because naman, pagka may edad ka na, hindi ka na nagpa-fast food talaga.
Oo, kahit ako, iniiwasan ko na rin yan eh.
Cancerous, cancerous tawag mo dyan eh.
Dati kasi, kaya 3 times a week ako. But Amiel Martinez, not something you'd want to do.
3 free throws for Amiel Martinez after that challenge by Brandon Coyuto.
Amiel Martinez on the free throw line right now, trying to cut down this lead ng Pasig. 2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining.
This lead.
Tyrese up top. Tang gives it up. Benjamin, no good. Here they come in transition para sa Leyte. Up top to Rasse. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Give it up to Rasse for the triple. That's off.
Shooting blanks itong Leyte Sure-Homes towards the end of the fourth quarter. They kept it close.
But Coyuto once again.
3 3-pointers now for Brandon Coyuto. He's finally settled in to his shot. Talking about Brandon.
Less than 2 minutes dito in our fourth quarter. Amiel Martinez made a couple on that right side, but has gone cold ever since para kay Amiel.
Now about Brandon Coyuto tracking down that loose ball. Wisely giving it up to Tyrese.
Coyuto na naman. Offline on that. Whips it out. Tyrese tries his hand. Here comes Benjamin Tejada for the deuce.
Offensive rebounds being a problem for the side of Leyte Shore-Holmes.
Outside, Amiel Martinez, book it for the 3.
16 points, Amiel Martinez. Straight and through. Just like the sharpshooter that he is, going toe-to-toe with Brandon Coyuto. But they gotta get stops. Again, a minute remaining. A bit too late for that.
The drive inside, no good para kay Oben. They kick it out. Tyrese, that's a deep one, and it's way short. Tyrese Tang being given a well-deserved rest as Martinez na naman. No good. 25 seconds remaining. Stepping on the sideline, itong si Yamuntek, Brent Yamuntek.
Seeing action for the first time, a lot of the players just to finish out this game, giving some reps. Itong si Coach Ian Mazo.
Leyte, they're gonna try one more time. Rasse, no good. Oben has it. And just a second remaining, and it's the Leyte Shore-Holmes going 3-0 on this Sunday morning. 71-56.
2-1 for Leyte. Pasig winning.
2-1 nga pala, Coach Anton.
Oo.
And yun, the Pasig Stallions, 71-56. Big performance from players like Tyrese Tang, Benjamin Tejada, and as well as Coyuto, Brandon Coyuto heating up in that fourth quarter. And third quarter, Coach Anton, pumasok na yung mga tira niya.
Yun, he was rushing his shots early on, but he settled in, got his legs under him, started knocking down those three-pointers, talking about Brandon Coyuto.
That really got them over the hill. Itong Pasig Stallions, of course, the Leyte Shore-Holmes really tried in that first half. Dikit pa nga yung laban, but Tyrese Tang, Coyuto, and Tejada were just too much for the Leyte Shore-Holmes. And of course, 71-56, that sums up our first set of games dito. We still have 3 more games coming up for all of our junior MPBL fans today. Kaya naman, kung free nga po kayo, pwede po kayong pumunta dito sa Divine Light Academy in Las Piñas City. Still a lot of games, a lot of basketball to be played for us fans ngayon. And in just a short while, you're going to be hearing it from our Chef's Magic, player of the game, as well as our assist men and hustle players. But right now, Miss Nicole Lim is joined by our Chef's Magic player of the game.
We have now our Chef's Magic player of the game with this double-double performance. We have Tyrese Tang from Pasig Stallions. Tyrese, during the third quarter, naging dikit ang laban ninyo. What keeps you going at ano yung naging motivation mo to get this victory?
Actually, Coach was telling us an important factor that our families and friends came a long way and they're watching us, like even if it's a super far game. So we just had to think of them and the time that they gave us so that we could perform and to just give all our effort so that we have no regrets going back home.
Tyrese, meron ka bang gustong batiin o pasalamatan?
Sorry?
Meron ka bang gustong batiin o bigyan ng shoutout?
Oh yeah, of course. First, shout out to God. None of this is possible without Him. Shout out to my family for always supporting me, no matter if my career is going up or down. They're always there with me, standing by my side. Shout out to my friends and to my teammates and coaches who's always pushing me to become a better person.
Once again, congratulations to our player of the game and to Pasig Stallions. And now let's take a look to our assist man and defensive player of the game. Gentlemen.
Maraming salamat, Nicole. Our Hustle Club Defensive Player of the Game, Christoph Velasco. 7 rebounds and a block for the big man of the latest squad. And our Don Benitos, Assist Man of the Game, Wayne Go, doing a good job of distributing the ball for the Pasig Stallions and resulting in the W para sa kanila. And that was it for our first 3 games of this Sunday. Set number 1 over. We move on to set number 2. It's JT Bulacan Taipan kontra sa Cavite City in the 14 and under division.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga